I jumped on the opportunity to also buy this hard head padlock with plastic coating for better weather resistance. This is the packaging. It's called hard head, 50 millimeters, some generic brand. This is the brand sold by Jula in Sweden and in Norway, in Scandinavia. And it's a 6-spinner, so that's interesting. Works very nicely. It does not have ball bearing securing that shackle. It's a bit flimsy. Check that out. But it says it's hardened steel shackle, and the body is made of iron or steel. So let's pick it, or try to pick it. I'll put it in the vise. Top of the keyway, and I will use a 15,000 euro hook. It's a bit rough. No security pins. There we go. So the hard head plastic coated padlock from Jula. I'll put the link in the description below. Probably manufactured in China, I figure. It doesn't say. Yeah, it says made in PRC, so there we go. Anyway, I paid, the price on this one was 79 kroner. That's equivalent of I think around $9 or $10. But I won't lock up any valuables with this one.